Guys, we're now taking off now. Wait, Mr. Person. Whoa, it's so foggy outside. Hey guys. Hey guys. Guys. Hey guys. Guys. We're taking off, guys. Here we go. No. Wow, it's so foggy outside.
My name is Tamara, on behalf of Captain Paul and First Officer Ryan. I'm happy to welcome you on board our 2-hour and 3-minute flight into Newark. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority. Please take a minute to review the safety card at your seat. Please also pay attention to the following safety video, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different.
We're flying. I can hear it. Wow. That engine is so loud. Whoa.
We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tied across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. One is located in a ceiling compartment in the forward cabin. One is in an overhead bin in the forward cabin. And 2 are in ceiling compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located to the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits near your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you've reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the strap. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front.
Oh, it's so
Pull
foggy
the
out
tighten.
there.
Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. US law also requires passengers to comply with lighting signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. Taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off or stow your device.
Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat bag is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
This line at an airport, you don't have to wait in. The fastest, easiest way to get help on the day you travel is to scan a QR code right from your phone or use the United app. To get connected with United experts who are stationed at airports across the country, ready to help you, no matter what city you're in. Whenever and wherever you need it. Save time. Skip the line at the airport.
Welcome aboard. With DirecTV in flight, the best in-flight entertainment is right here in your hands. You'll enjoy your flight with so much to choose from. You can watch live news or your favorite sports. Catch up on your favorites or find something new to
segregated garbage at your wipes. If you're seated in the window seat, we ask that you open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove your face mask before putting on your oxygen mask. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're in the air.
We're taking off. We're taking off.